Today, I will lead you into an exciting journey where I reveal 7 super amazing foods that you should eat when hungry to create a spectacular health boost. These are not just foods, but companions, helping you start the day with bursting energy and lasting health. Sounds attractive yet? Just one suitable food, you will feel your body like charged up instantly. Energy overflowing, mind alert, digestive system working smoothly like a perfect symphony. Hello everyone. Welcome to Health Updates, the cozy little corner where we together explore simple but powerful secrets to live healthy, full of vitality every day. Try imagining this. You wake up in the morning. The first sunlight slips through the curtains, fresh air fills your chest, and you ask yourself, could the first thing I put into my body today turn this day into a wonderful day? Or even more, could it change my entire life? The answer is a big, firm yes, but only when you know how to choose the right golden foods to wake up your body when your stomach is still empty. Today, I will lead you into an exciting journey where I reveal 7 super amazing foods that you should eat when hungry to create a spectacular health boost. These are not just foods, but companions, helping you start the day with bursting energy and lasting health. Sounds attractive yet? So don't hesitate. Press the like button right away, hit subscribe to the channel and explore with me, because these cool tips you won't want to miss. Morning. The magical moment when your body just went through a long sleep, like a machine, turned off for overnight maintenance. Imagine this. Your stomach at this moment is empty, clean, like a pristine white sheet of paper, just waiting for you to draw on it the first strokes of the new day. But this is also the time your body is most vulnerable. If you hurriedly throw into it a sugary pastry or a strong black coffee, what will happen? Your stomach will cry for help immediately. It might get irritated, acid refluxes, and you will feel heavy, sluggish throughout the day. Not to mention, these wrong choices also silently gnaw at your health over time. But if you choose right, then what? Oh, that's an entirely different story. Just one suitable food, you will feel your body like charged up instantly. Energy overflowing, mind alert, digestive system working smoothly like a perfect symphony. And the most wonderful thing is these benefits don't just stop at one day. They gradually accumulate, helping you have smooth glowing skin, a healthy body, and a refreshed spirit long term. I once met a friend named Nam, an office worker, every day starting with a pâté sandwich and milky coffee. He said, I kept thinking eating like that is quick, convenient. But then he often felt tired, bloated, dull skin. After I suggested changing his morning habit, just 1 month later, Nam came back thanking profusely. You said right, just a little change, and I'm like a different person. So there, just one small choice when hungry alone can create a big difference. Are you ready to find out the first food yet? Come on, let's start together. Food first. Warm water with lemon. Standing at the top of our list today is a silent hero that anyone can find in the kitchen. Warm water with lemon. Sounds too simple, right? But don't let this plain appearance fool you. This is exactly the natural detox potion that I call morning savior. Imagine this. You hold a warm glass in your hand, squeeze into it a few drops of fresh golden lemon. A light sour scent wafts up, and when you sip, you immediately feel the gentleness spreading in your body. Why is it so miraculous? First, vitamin C in lemon is a guard, wonderful for the immune system. It helps you fight bacteria, viruses, especially on those seasonal days easy to get sick. Next, citric acid in lemon is like a cleaner diligent, stimulating the liver to produce bile to sweep clean toxins accumulated overnight. And warm water then? It's like a gentle hug, waking up the stomach slowly, not causing pressure or discomfort. The way to do it is easy as flipping your hand. Just squeeze half a lemon into 250 milliliters warm water, not too hot, not too cold, then sip slowly before eating anything else. I tried this habit for 7 consecutive days, and the result truly surprised me. Body lighter, skin visibly brighter, and the sluggish morning feeling disappeared completely. Once I even added a small spoonful of honey, just sweetly gentle, boosting energy. Truly wonderful. I bet you if you try for just 1 week, you will be addicted to this refreshing feeling right away. Who has ever drunk lemon water in the morning yet? Please comment below to share your feelings with me. I really want to hear your stories. Food 2. Soaked almonds. Next in the list is a small but mighty dish. Soaked almonds. Don't look at these tiny almonds and underestimate, okay? They are exactly the precious gems of health, especially when you eat when the stomach is still empty. Imagine this scene. The night before sleeping, you soak 6 to 8 almonds in a small glass of water. Morning comes, those nuts soften, peel easily, revealing the white creamy inside, nutty. When chewing, you will feel the light natural sweetness melting in your mouth. Just delicious, just nourishing. What makes soaked almonds become special? First, soaking overnight helps remove the peel containing phytic acid, a substance hindering the body from absorbing minerals. When eating when hungry, they stimulate digestive enzymes, helping the stomach start the new day smoothly. Moreover, almonds are a treasure of vitamin E, friend of smooth skin, along with good fats and protein, helping protect the heart and keep you lightly full without heavy stomach at all. I remember once chatting with a fan of health updates. Her name is Lynn, 25 years old. Lynn said that she used to get bloated every morning, skin dull because of irregular eating. I suggested trying soaked almonds, and just after 2 weeks, Lynn messaged back, "Oh my, I didn't expect it all. No more bloating, skin much smoother, and morning waking up feels healthier too." Hearing that, I was happy along with her. The way to do it is super simple. Night soak 6 to 8 nuts, morning peel, and eat right when just waking up. If you like creativity, can sip with a cup of green tea. Just delicious, just cleansing the body. Have you tried soaked almonds ever yet? If not, tonight try soaking some, okay? I believe you will be surprised with its effect. And if already tried, please tell me your feelings in the comment section, okay? Food 3. Banana. Coming to position number 3 in the list today, we have a golden friend, familiar that any kitchen should have, banana. Calling it a natural energy battery is not wrong at all, you guys. Imagine this. You just wake up, body still sleepy, mind foggy, but just need to hold a ripe golden bright banana, peel it, and bite one bite, bam. Energy like exploding in every cell. The gentle sweet taste, soft melting in the mouth, just delicious, just makes you alert right instantly. So, what makes banana become the perfect choice when the stomach is still empty? First, let's talk about potassium. Silent hero, helping your blood pressure stable like a perfect straight line. If you often get cramps or feel heart beating fast after a long night, potassium in banana will be the natural medicine helping you balance everything again. Next, natural sugar, fructose and glucose, in banana is like a gentle press on the gas, waking the mind without causing pressure for the body. And the most wonderful thing? The natural mucus layer of banana acts like a gentle armor, wrapping the stomach lining, protecting it from any irritation when you haven't eaten anything. I'm crazy about bananas, especially those just ripe, fresh yellow peel, not too mushy. Some days I try spreading on a thin layer of peanut butter. Oh my, delicious to the point of wanting to shout. The nutty taste of butter blends with the clear sweet of banana, just full, just nourishing. Exactly a quick breakfast, but quality. If you are a gym person or every morning busy chasing deadlines, then banana exactly is your savior. Just one fruit, you already have enough energy to fight the whole morning without fearing hunger. I remember once chatting with a friend named Fong, true office folk, every day running before going to work. He said, "Before I often got energy drop midway, but since eating banana before running, everything changed completely. Legs strong, head clear, and no more feeling heavy stomach." Hearing that, I just wanted to clap in praise. Banana, exactly, is simple, but effect, not joking at all. You guys then? Like eating banana how? Anyone ever tried grilled banana or bananas mixed with yogurt yet? Please leave your ideas in the comment section, okay? I'm very curious, wanting to learn more from you guys. Food 4. Apple. Next, we come to a classic saying that everyone has heard. One apple a day keeps you from needing a doctor. And you know not, this saying is doubly true when you eat apple when hungry. Imagine you hold a juicy red apple, bite one big bite. The crunch, sound, crisp echoes, sweet clear juice flows out, and you immediately feel a clean energy stream flowing into the body. That's not just a food, but a natural doctor, quietly caring for you from inside. What makes apple become special when eating in the morning? First, pectin fiber in apple is like a magical broom, quietly sweeping clean toxins in the gut after a long night body accumulating. You ever feel stomach sluggish, uncomfortable in early morning knot? Apple will help you say goodbye to that feeling, bringing a digestive system light, airy. Not yet done, polyphenol, those super tiny but super strong compounds, in apple help stabilize blood sugar, preventing sudden hunger pangs or midday tired feeling. And the biggest plus point? One average apple only has about 95 calories, too ideal for anyone wanting to keep shape but still healthy. I then like cutting apple into small pieces, sprinkling on a bit of cinnamon powder, just fragrant, just stimulates metabolism. Some days I try eating apple with a few almond slices, feeling like enjoying a fancy breakfast without costing much effort. The crisp, sweet taste of apple blends with warm cinnamon scent, exactly a way to start the new day full of inspiration. You guys are fans of apple, not? If yes, please raise hand by pressing like, okay, I want to know how big the apple-loving army is. And if not yet tried eating apple when hungry, you'll start from tomorrow, right? Food 5. Greek yogurt. Coming to position number 5, we have a secret weapon that I'm sure will make you fascinated, Greek yogurt. This is not just a morning food, but a wonderful companion for healthy digestion and radiant skin. Imagine this. You scoop a spoonful of thick, creamy Greek yogurt, white smooth, add a few slices of juicy red strawberry or plump blueberry. Then bring to mouth. Light sour taste blends with clear sweet of fruit, melting in every sense. Just thinking already feels delicious, right not? So why Greek yogurt is golden choice when eating when hungry? First, probiotics, those beneficial bacteria in yogurt are like a tiny army, diligently balancing gut microbiome, helping you digest better and say goodbye to uncomfortable bloating feeling. Next, high protein amount double compared to regular yogurt makes you full longer, very ideal to start the new day without fearing snacking craving. And don't forget calcium, protector for strong bones, especially important for those who sit long or older a bit. I often eat about 150 g Greek yogurt, no sugar, adding fresh fruit like strawberry, blueberry, or a few kiwi slices, just tasty, just healthy. If liking light sweet, I often add 1 spoonful pure honey, naturally gentle sweet without harming health. But remember, okay, don't use white sugar because it will ruin all the wonderful use of this dish. You guys then? Like adding what topping into your Greek yogurt? Anyone crazy about chia seeds or granola nut? Please comment, let me know, okay? I really want to learn more from you guys. Food 6. Overnight oats. Next in the journey exploring wonderful foods to eat when hungry, we come to a name that surely health living fans can't skip. Overnight oats. Just hearing the name already feels attractive, right not? This is not just a simple breakfast, but an artwork dedicated to your health and beauty. Imagine this. You open fridge in the morning, take out a jar of smooth creamy oats, add a few slices fresh fruit, sprinkle some chia seeds, just looking already wants to dive and enjoying right away. What makes overnight oats become star when eating when hungry? First, beta-glucan fiber in oats is like a silent warrior, quietly reducing bad cholesterol, protecting your heart from potential risks. Next, abundant vitamin B in oats is golden friend of skin. It boosts cell renewal, helping you have a radiant look without needing expensive cosmetics. And biggest plus point? Oats provide lasting energy, keeping you full until noon without even glancing at those tempting snack packs on work desk. The way to do it is easier than brewing a coffee cup. Night before sleeping, I just need take 3 to 4 spoons rolled oats. Put in jar, pour unsweetened milk over oats. close lid, and put in fridge. Morning wake up, I add favorite toppings, some days red juicy strawberry, some days sliced banana, and a bit chia seeds. Done. Just 5 minutes preparing, you already have a breakfast, just delicious, just eye-catching, again super good for health. I then like creating with oats a lot. Some days add honey and cinnamon, some days mix with yogurt. Every day one style without ever boring. And you then? Have tried overnight oats yet? Your favorite recipe is what? Please share with me in comment section, okay? I really want to learn more from you guys. Food last. Boiled egg. And finally, we close the list today with a champion that anyone can do. Boiled egg. Don't look at its simplicity and underestimate, okay? This exactly is superfood that anyone from kids to elderly should have in morning menu. Imagine this. You peel a boiled egg still warm hot, sprinkle on some sea salt or black pepper, bite one bite, nutty taste, fragrant melting in mouth. Just delicious, just makes you feel full of vitality. What makes boiled egg become special when eating when hungry? First, it's perfect protein source with 9 essential amino acids, those bricks building muscle and repairing tissue after a long night body regenerating. Just one egg, you already provide body a strong start without needing to worry lacking nutrients. Next, choline in egg yolk is like a scientist tiny, supporting nerve function, helping you focus and alert more for busy workday. And most wonderful thing? One boiled egg only has about 70 calories, full long, little energy. Exactly golden choice for anyone wanting healthy without fearing weight gain. I often boil 1 to 2 eggs each morning, adding bit sea salt or black pepper for rich taste. Some days I try eating with a few avocado slices. Oh, delicious to point wanting to make another one. The way to do it is simple, no need discuss. Drop egg in boiling water. Cook 6 to 7 minutes. Take out, soak cold water a bit, then peel right away. Just takes 10 minutes, you already have a breakfast, just quick, just quality. Many people worry about cholesterol in egg, but I clarify, okay. Recent science already proved that with healthy person, eating egg doesn't increase bad cholesterol. So just enjoy, okay. I once met a friend named Duke, engineer, every day eating boiled egg before going work. He said, I eat 2 eggs each morning, just full, just healthy, and mind alert completely. Hearing that, I just wanted to raise them, praising. Who here likes boiled egg? Please raise hand by leaving a heart in comment section, okay? And if not yet tried eating boiled egg when hungry, you'll start from tomorrow, right? I really want to hear your feelings. So we together went through a wonderful journey, exploring 7 top foods to eat when stomach's still empty, from cleansing lemon water, nourishing almonds, energy-filled banana, clean apple, gentle Greek yogurt, nurturing oats, and finally strong boiled egg. You guys see, not just one small change each morning alone, you already can push your health and spirit to a new height. Imagine this. Every day you wake up, put into body these foods, and after 30 days, you look in mirror, skin brighter, body lighter, spirit refreshed more. That not is most wonderful thing? I tried already. Many fans of health updates also tried already, and now your turn. Please start from tomorrow. Try applying for 30 days and come back, tell me result, okay? I wait for your news. If you find this video useful, don't forget press like button to support me, okay? One small press, but big motivation for me to make more cool content. And if not yet subscribed channel, please press that red button right away. Press notification bell to not miss any health tips from health updates. Thank you everyone for accompanying me today. See you again in next video. Goodbye, okay?